And let
Where
us
really
talk
this
about
outfit
slave
with
master,
we?
because number 2 item on this thing is that
Why are you coming in the TikTok thing?
Barry's. Me tired of them. That's how I put. But and I just
I say,
explain. Let me
oh,
show you. Let
other
me
people are
statement
saying
again.
this
Let me take
too.
a sip of water. Barry's, Barry, like the name Barry. The Barry them. Me tired of them. But hold on. I know, oh, it not so now it is. Hold on. One girl come on TikTok. A girl come on my feed recently. And many of these type of things come up all the while. But that one I'm going to launch it as the spearhead. She said, me could get rid of this now. She talking about a man who she there with. And according to she, the man is almost 80 years old. She put up in picture. He look like a strong old man. And when he look like hugging up a girl where she cover the face, it could be she. You know what look like a nurse's uniform. And she said, Barry, there with her. We don't know if she have picked with him. There with her. We don't know how long, but it seemed like a good while. There with her. But Barry have him wife at the time. And Barry tell her, say, Barry don't love him wife. Really. Him really just there with him wife because him wife have the pity them for him. And she, how much year now? 2 years now the two of them left. And him Barry call her recently just out of the blue and I beg her vagina and she tell him no. I try to tell it exactly what the girl tell it. She beg her vagina and she tell him no. And him a pack up her head with the whole of her shit and all kind of no and whatever. And then eventually now him come and say she have to come out of him house. Right, so now your sister, him own a house where she live in. Don't know if him have picnic for her, it don't sound like she have picnic for him, but it don't sound that way because you know, have a woman where you have picnic with your house and then you get notice to come out. But she get notice to come out of this man way, according to she, you're almost 80, Barry, you're almost 80, and I'm not sure what that have to do with it. And the fact same wife and all kind of fuckery, but all must have said that to me when I say, you know, which is what the fuck this have to do with? What is when I say? And that me say when all of them rascal girl will come up in my feed and chat them kind of fuckery about them relationship with them a can out man and a ton man in a rascal did that. And who give a fuck about your relationship issues is the question I'm asking, and part of why is because I'm confirming with the people in my comments. I say the first comment is from a woman just like she who's saying what really this have to do with we, and I just say, oh, other people have said this too. Why are you coming in the TikTok thing? TikTok live, I'm asking the girl them on TikTok. Why are you coming on here telling us about some relationship you have instead of calling or voice noting or texting the person you have that relationship? Bumbo rascal. Problem with?
You know you're a king of Jamaica, 'cause I am a money man.